cutting pieces from the tree, mashing clouds of clay, and then painting it all milky white, looking at the building's windows, imagining their interiors, and then translating it all into words. Plagiarizing is remembering, feeling the pain of mourning and writing it down. Reenacting the beggar's performance or looking him straight in the eyes. It's putting the sun in your mouth and writing about the sea, that childhood summer. It's subverting memories, changing their place or time, and bringing them to this gray, listless day. It's walking backwards. It's seeing the word plagiarism and copying it down.
Plagiar.